Once upon a time there was a young girl. She lived in a quiet village. All the village people had sheep. The girl had to wish the sheep. She had to protect them from wolves. Looking after the sheep was easy, but it was not fun. I am so bored. I want to have some adventure and excitement. Suddenly, the girl had an idea. The girl took a deep breath, opened his mouth wide and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! There's a wolf!" The whole village heard the girl's cry. They stopped what they were doing. Everyone was scared.
"Where is it? Where's the wolf?"
said the old man.
"Are the sheep okay?"
asked the woman. But there was no wolf. The girl was playing a trick. The people were angry and the girl. The next day, the girl has watched the sheep again. It was so fun yesterday. I will have some more fun. Wolf! There's a big scary wolf! Cry was heard loud and clear. Everyone stopped what they were doing. Everyone was scared.
Where is the wolf?"
said the old man. But of course there was no wolf. The girl has played a trick again.
"Don't cry, wolf! Where's no wolf?"
They shouted. Later that afternoon, the girl was getting ready to go home. Suddenly, she heard a strange sound. It was a really wolf. The girl took a deep breath. "Wolf! There's a big scary wolf! Wolf!" Everyone heard the girl cry wolf, but they thought she was playing another trick, so nobody paid attention to her. The next morning, the village people come to look for the girl. "Where are the sheep? What is going on?" asked the woman. "There was a wolf. I caught wolf, but nobody came."
"When you called wolf before, was there really a wolf?"
asked the old man. "No."
"Then why would we believe you when you really saw a wolf? Nobody believes a liar, even when he's telling the truth."